Hey guys, today we will explain about how to verify email on Shopify. This process is simple and easy, and you can verify your email by which you have created your Shopify account. The first thing is head over to the main website of Shopify and then take a look on the right top. You will see your profile icon. Just click on it. And here on the last you can see the option of manage account. Simply click on this option. On the top you can see verification email sent. Here if I click on this option resend verification, then Shopify will send a verification to that email which I used while I was creating my Shopify account. And if I scroll down, here you will see the same thing. And if I click on this option, both are same. They will send a verification on my email. And then I need to open my email and I need to verify that email from my inbox. Once I will do, my email will be verified and I will be a certified user on Shopify. And it's an important thing. You have to verify your email on Shopify. And that's it.